All right, it's Friday here, and we've got a couple things in the shop. We got a Ram TRX, amp power steps going on the side of this thing, and then on this Jeep that we just finished up a couple weeks ago with a zone lift and some new tires, it is getting DV8 front and rear bumpers on here, along with a Bulldog 9,500 pound winch. Never mind, just realized that this thing's not getting a winch, so just DV8 bumpers. Just pulled the Jeep out of the shop with the bumpers. Take you around, give you a nice little look about these things. These DV8 bumpers are just simple, easy looking bumpers. We did the rough country license plate mount on there. Like I said, we didn't do a winch on this one. That's going on a different build, but we'll worry about that one later. And then we got the DV8 rear bumper on here as well to kind of complete the look. 360 on this Jeep. So pretty simple, once again, with the hitch and the shackles. So he's got quite a few other things done to this. We just did a 3-inch zone off-road lift on here. We did the Baja Boss AT tires in a 35-inch. He's got JW speaker rear lights and headlights. And I think that's pretty much it. I think we did maybe a Smittybilt HD tire carrier. And other than that, pretty dang simple. So just an overall simple build coming together.